Types of functions. Types of functions. Already we learned what is a function. We will discuss now types of functions. So, what is a function? Okay, let's first review this. What is a function? Tell me what is a function. Let f is a relation from A to B. You should write like this. Relation means subset of Cartesian product. Let f is a relation from A to B. Okay. Now this relation satisfying following condition is a function. What is that condition? Let f is a relation from A to B. If condition, condition if for every element in A there is unique image in B. Okay, if for every element in A there is unique image in B, then what do we say? Then f is called a function. F is called a function from A to B. Okay, so how do we represent? That is, we represent that as f is a function, means like this. Okay, f is a function from A to B. This you can also call, another way you can say, what f maps A to B. You can read this as f maps A to B. Okay, function another name is mapping. Mapping also meaning function. Function another name is mapping, or f maps A to B. So we represent like this. F is a relation from A to B, we represent like this. F is a function from A to B, mathematically we represent like this. So now what is the condition? If a relation to be a function, a relation function avali ante, if for every element in A, you have to check for every element, you have to check there is unique image. Unique image means one and only one image is there or not, we have to check. I think you remember, right? You remember, right?
Yes.
Now this is A. Now this is B. It's 1, 2, 3 in this A, B. So now this is a relation, yes or no? This is a relation, yes or no? This
Yes.
relation from A to. Now this relation we call F. Is this a function or not?
It is a function.
Why? Why it's a function?
Because every element only has one unique image.
Every element, I said every element, but
Okay,
here,
he does not have a, yes, sir, got it.
yes, every element every element must have an image. One has an image, two has an image, three doesn't have an image. Okay, first image should be there, that image also should be unique. Now 3 I am giving image. 3 has an image, that's B. Okay, now you tell me whether it's function or not. Whether it's a function or not, you tell me. Tell me quickly.
That it is a function. I don't remember.
The definition is here. Definition is right here.
It's not a function because it doesn't have a unique image. 3.
It means what? It means 3 has how many images, you tell me?
1.
Only
Okay,
one
3
image.
can't have 2 images, but B can share. It is a function.
Yes, it's function.
Yes, and got it.
Okay, every element must have a unique image, right? Every element must have unique image. 1 has only one image, 2 has only one image, 3 has only one image. That image 1 and 3 has same image. That's okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like that. So don't get confused. You have to check like this. 1 has only one image, 2 has only one image, 3 has only one image. Therefore, every element in A has only one image. Therefore, it's a function. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Now you are okay. Now you understand. So here, yeah, how do we write this function? This function है ना, this function का नाम f है ना, f है ना इसका नाम. Okay, what is the name of this function? This f. Function f has how many elements? 1b,
3.
2a, 3b. This is what is. This is, see, this is how you write a function, right? Function f. This is set. Function is of set. Relation is of set, but set of ordered pairs. This is a set of ordered pairs. Okay, but it's arrow diagram. This is called arrow diagram. Its arrow diagram is like this. This is what is arrow diagram. Okay, diagrammatic form, and this is set. This is set form of the function. Okay.
Yes.
And here 1 comma b belongs to f. है ना? Here 1 is element in A, B is its image. Okay, image 1 and its image, 2 and its image A, 3 its image. And what you can write is here, you can write f of 1 equal to b. This is how you can write. You understand? Image of 1 is b under f, mapping f. Okay, f అనేది ఫంక్షన్. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ లో f అనేది ఫంక్షన్. ఈ ఫంక్షన్ లో 1 యొక్క ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ 1 is b. Okay, 1 ka image b. Understand?
Yes.
F is a function. In this function, image of 1 is b. In this function, image of 2 is a. In this function, image of. So that's how we write. So 1 comma b belongs to f. So f of 1 is b. 2 comma a belongs to f. And f of 2 is a. And 3 comma b belongs to f. And f of 3 is b. Understand this? Like this we should write. This is how we write. This is representation, simple. Represent, how do we write it? Like this we write. Not with image. Okay? Images you can write like this. This is what is a function we learn. So chalo, we'll go to types of functions. Now what is 1-1 function? 1-1 function. What is 1-1 function? What is 1-1 function? Okay, let's see. First of all, if the function hai na, f is a function from a to b, this must be done. First, let f is a function from a to b. Okay, then condition. A function 1-1 hona chahiye. So what is the condition? If see, you can write in 2-3 ways, but I'll write like this. If different elements, different or distinct, whatever, different or distinct elements in A has distinct images. Okay, if distinct elements in A has distinct images, then f is called 1-1. So, okay, you understand this? Different elements should have different images. Or
Yes.
you can say, no two elements. See, another way of writing language. No two
elements have the same image.
Yes, no two elements in A. No two elements in A have same image. Hannah? No two elements in A have same image. No two elements in A have same image. Okay?
Yes, got it.
So different elements should have different images. Hannah? That means no two elements. Two elements should. No two elements. That means 3 elements definitely should have same image. Right? Mathematically, how do we write? Mathematically. A very interesting way. Mathematically, how do you write? Let x1 comma, so x1 comma x2 belongs to R. A. Let x1 comma x2 belongs to A. Any two elements you are taking from A. You understand? No, now,
Yes.
and we take, how do we take two elements from A which are distinct? Not equal, Distinct means what? They are not equal. Different elements. Then what should happen? Their images f of x1 also not equal to f of x2. All right. See,
Yes, sir.
really,
Got it.
two different elements in A. What are these two? Any two elements you take, their images must be different. Different elements should have different image. So, ऐसा भी लिख सकते, or another way is, or next way is what, here same, let x1 comma x2 belongs to A, and f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, that means what? No two elements should have same image. No? So images same. Images same means what? X1 must be equal to x2. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
No two elements in A have same image. Same image, no two elements. Okay, no two elements in A have same image. That means, see, f of x1 equal to f of x2 means images are same. That means elements must be same. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
means what? If you get like this, that means if see, next page I am going. If you see here x1 comma x2 belongs to A and f of x1 equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2. What does it mean? X1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1 equal to f of x2. What does it mean? So different elements, x1 is not
Yes.
equal to x2. Different elements have the same image. Two different elements.
Therefore, it is not a one function.
Not, yes, that is f is not one. So okay, but you cannot see, this is important, but very important. But see, if x1 equal to x2 implies f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can prove, you have to prove like this, f of x1 equal to f of x2, that implies you have to prove x1 equal to x2, then it is 1 1, then f is 1 1. Understand this?
Yes, sir.
But this is not the way. Okay, but if f of x1 equal to x2, that means same elements, same images, you did not prove fully. Okay, okay, then you know what? Then f is only
1 1.
no function. You understand? That's why I'm telling you difference. So see, different elements should have different images. This gave full meaning. Here images are equal, then elements are same. No problem. This is also okay. This way also you can prove.
But if
Understand?
elements are same, images must not be equal.
F of if x1 equal to x2, that implies f of x1 equal to f of x2. You can, if you prove like this, then f is only function you prove. That's it. You did not prove fully. You understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Right. So we'll go to examples. Okay, we take example. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, and B equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, very good. So now we'll take arrow diagram. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, A, B, A, B. So 1B, 2A, 3B. Now, what can you say about this function? Is it 1 1 function?
No, it is not a 1 1 function.
Yeah, exactly. Why?
Because two elements have the same image.
Yes, two different. Yes, two different elements have the same
have
image.
the
Yes.
Yes.
So here, you know what? See, here 2 ways you can prove. So I told 2 ways. So one way is like this. So prove, how do you write? See, 1 is not equal to 3. Hai na? Two different elements have different images. Rehna chahiye. So f of 1 must not be equal to f of 3. Is not correct. Yes or no?
Yes,
x1 is
sir.
not equal to x2 implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 hona chahiye. But f of 1, what is f of 1? F of 1 is b. And f of 3 is also b. Okay, this is what is not correct. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Or another way I said here, see like this. So f of 1 equal to f of 3. Yes or no? See, f of 1 is b, f of 3 is also b, f of 1 equal to f of 3. But
Hmm.
1, then what do we have to prove? 1 equal to 3 we have to prove. Okay?
Yes, sir, but 1 is not equal to 3. So,
See, that's what we see. That's why I understand it. See, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2 hona chahiye. This is for all, na? Whatever elements, x1, x2, any two elements here. For any two elements, this you have to prove. Okay?
yes, sir.
So, but 1 is not equal to 3. 1 equal to 3 is wrong. Okay, like that. Okay, then what we'll do is one thing we'll do. Like this. One thing. Okay, I'll do this. Okay. Now is it 1-1 function or not?
It is a 1-1 function.
So 1-1 function. 3 different elements have 3 different images. Oh yeah.
Yes, sir, done.
Different elements have different images. So now let's take another. You have A, B, C, D, 4 elements you have. Achha. Okay, this is also 1-1. Different elements have different images. Here D doesn't have pre-image. Okay, A pre-image is 2. Image of 2 is A. Okay, image of 2 is A. And pre-image of A is 2. Like that we say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here also pre-image of C is 3. D has no pre-image. Okay.
D has no image. Yes, sir, got it.
D has no pre-image. So this one. Okay, this is what is we gave examples for finite function. We will go for infinite example. F is a function from real numbers to real numbers. Okay, defined as f of x equal to 2x plus is 1-1 function. Is that okay? This is 1-1 function. I already told. Now we'll prove 2x plus 3. F of x equal to simply 2x plus 3. What I told is a function on real numbers. X belongs to R. This is what is given. Yes or no? How do you prove?
Yes.
How do you prove? You know, whenever it's a function, you have to prove it. Whenever it's not a function, you have to give an example. Remember? Okay. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
how do you prove it like this? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R, real numbers. Okay. Set A. This is what is set A. A to B. Let's say it's function from A to B. Set A, from set A, you are taking any two elements. How? Such that they are not equal. Any two distinct elements you are taking. X2. You understand? X1 is not
Yes.
equal to X2. That implies what? 2 multiply. Okay, we are multiplying 2 on both sides. Doesn't make they are equal, right? By multiplying, see, for any two real numbers you take, two distinct real numbers you take, and you multiply 2 on both sides, will they make equal? Equal हो सकता है 2 multiply करने से? No, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just because we multiply 2, then by multiplying 2, inequality remains inequality, right? Now add 3, 3 add करो तो भी unequal ही रहेगा. Okay, this will remain unequal. That implies what? F of x1. This is f of x, f of x1 not equal to f of x2. I proved distinct elements have distinct images because you take any two different elements and put here. So, for example, see this you have to prove like this. This is what is proof. Then what you can say? Conclude. Then f is 1-1. You conclude like this because here x1, x2, any two you take. See, like you are taking 1 is not equal to 3. 2 into 1 is also not equal to 2 into 3. Sir, You take any, you put, that means what, in the place of x1, x2, any two real numbers you can put, any two real numbers. If I write like this, 1, 3 example, if I give, then this is true for only 1, 3. If I give like this, it is true for all real numbers. You have got the point or not?
Yes, I got the point.
2 into 3 plus 3. है ना? So ये वाला तो f of 1. Okay, this is f of 1. Okay, f of 1 not equal to f of 3. See, different elements have different images. So, but here, this in the place of x1, x2, you can put any element. Okay, any real number you can put. Got it? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, we'll go for next example. So, f is a relation from real numbers to real numbers. Defined as f of x equal to x square. This one. Okay. So whether it is a function or not, whether it's one function or not. Is question is f is 1. This is a question. Is f, oh, is f 1? Tell me f is 1 or not. Okay, now like previous one, let's take let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. So that is this set A. Consider this set A R such that you take like this, such that, sir, you told like this, therefore I am taking like this, such that x1 is not equal to x2. Excuse me. Okay, x1 is not equal to x2. That implies x1 square also not equal to x2 square. Yes or no?
So that this one is not a 1-1 function.
Why?
Because two elements have the same image. Because here we're taking real numbers, and that includes negative integers also, like negative whole numbers. So -2 and 2 will have the same image.
Actually, this is what is wrong.
Yes, it's wrong here only, because for the square it will be equal.
Before that we multiplied 2, added 3 on both sides. That doesn't make equal. Inequality will remain inequality. It will not be equal. But when you see, when x1, x2 both are real numbers, when you square it, they may be equal. They may be equal. This is wrong. As -1, as you are saying, -1 equal to is not equal to 1, but -1 whole square is equal to 1 square.
Equal to 1 whole square. Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
So therefore, what you can say, f is not 1. Okay, as you can say, whenever you say not 1, you have to give example as -1 and -1 comma -1 comma 1. Okay, different elements.
Yes, sir.
Elements. You did not write different elements just for our understanding. We are writing -1 comma 1 have same image.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this function will be a 1-1 function if it's defined from natural numbers to natural numbers.
Good, very good. Or even R plus to R. Set of real numbers, positive real
yes,
numbers.
Sir, positive real numbers.
Then automatically, because there is no question of -1 and 1, right? Here R plus only positive real numbers. If you take, then definitely is 1-1 function.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Nice. We got nice understanding. Good. Very good.